everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Speaking of places to be,
yeah,
where are we?
We are visiting our good friends at
Midnight Science Club. Yay!
So this looks like a really simple yet intriguing activity you have for us today.
It's very simple, very easy, and you know what? I love to do it.
Okay.
Okay, so you just grab. I just got some index cards. You don't have to have index cards.
So you can use like cardstock.
You can use cardstock. You know, just gotta cut it into like squares,
Gotcha.
or and if you want, you can cut some slits, which what I did.
Okay.
So we're gonna build a tower using these index cards.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And can we only cut them or can we fold them?
You can fold them.
Okay.
You can cut them, and the whole gist of this is building a tower high up as you go without it falling down.
Oh, okay. So almost like a card tower.
Card tower, yes.
But we can cut them. We can
cut them. You can fold them.
Okay.
You can build several.
put them on top of
the
each
bottom.
other.
You can actually go side to side. You can use. I built another one. Place it on the top.
Okay.
And you don't want it to fall. Let's see if I add this one. Will it fall?
Oh!
I'm not
it
gonna
got
put that
close.
on. I'm gonna start this way.
See if I can make something
So simple.
fancy.
So simple, but yet fun.
Yeah, and there's all kinds of, you can do simple cuts, you can do complex cuts.
Yes.
I feel like my initial, I guess, thought was to start folding them too.
Right. You can.
To make towers,
Exactly.
stuff like this.
Exactly. And I just knocked our tower down.
Hey.
Right? And
this is cool.
It's cool.
Yeah, I like this idea. It's super simple, and chances of having some kind of cardstock or index cards and scissors.
Right.
Like I know I have.
And you can problem solve because
bajillion
why is this falling?
Right, why did it tip over?
Right, and this
or
not tip
whatnot.
over.
Very cool.
You know?
Well, hey guys, I really like this activity. I hope that you did too. If you like this activity as much as we did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye now.